Hello my dear friends, I'm going to do a really luxurious nail design today on this video. I have already done the incredibly beautiful ombre on the 8 nails. It's a gradient between milk pinkish color and white. It looks sweet and elegant. This nail design is loved especially by those who love French manicure. And I'm going to do just like a superb on the ring fingers, so-called the Swarovski king nail. I used the mirror silver gel as substrate under rhinestones. This color is perfect for this nail design. You should polish and dry it in the lamp. Certainly, the rhinestones should be of high quality. In that case, this nail design will look really luxury. I have got a jar with mixed rhinestones of different sizes, and I also use other rhinestones on different sizes and forms. I decided to use one with holographic spillovers. They will flash and sparkle and glow with their own living light at different angles of illumination. By the way, I take the rhinestone with a wax pencil from AliExpress. You should have it sharpened so it will be more comfortable for you to work. To fix the rhinestones firmly, you need to use a strong gel for nail extension or the rubber base for gel polish or a special gel for rhinestones. Cover the gel under the rhinestones in the middle layer. If you cover in a thin layer, the rhinestone will not fix. If you cover in a thick layer, the rhinestone will sink in the gel and lose their shine. And there is a risk that gel will spread on the cuticle and skin around the nail. It's not necessary to dry gel. You should dry the gel after you have spread all the rhinestones. Pay attention that this nail design takes time, but the result is worth it. By the way, you can do such a smooth ombre in several ways. If you want me to make a video about this, please click the like button or write in the comments. If there are 100 likes or comments, I will make a detailed tutorial especially for you in the near future. Be sure you can wear this design as long as you wear other design. I mean 3 or 4 weeks before the next correction. It can last longer, but as you know, it's not good to overwear artificial materials. I fix the rhinestones with glossy top without a sticker layer. I use a thin brush. I cover every rhinestone with top on the perimeter and also the empty spaces on the nail. After I dry the nails on the lamp. Here is a personal professional piece of advice. Don't place the rhinestone on the tip of the nail, as it's the most dangerous place for the rhinestones, as while doing something with our hands, you grind their tip the most. Thank you for your feedback, likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye!